I'm Tamanna and I have created this blogging website with my teammate Vimeet. This is how it looks like. You can see every blog post which I am creating. To compose a blog, I am going to click to compose. It is going to ask for my admin rights. Only admin can post on this blogging site. And if I'm going to log in, I will compose a blog post. Yeah, here it is. All these images are generated by random uh, pictures. Every time you are going to refresh it, you are going to get random images. Now if I want to delete this post, I can either like I can see the whole blog like this, and if I want to delete this particular post, I am going to copy this path, going to go to compose section, put my credentials, login, and put the URL that I wanted to delete, and it's deleted. Test 1 is not there. Now I want to delete all the posts that I've created. I am again going to go to compose, put the credential, logged into it, sorry, I would click on delete all post. Going to wait for it to refresh, and yeah, every post is deleted. Now this is the about section which Vimeet has created, and the delete post section was also created by Vimeet. If you want to contact me for any kind of suggestion or help or problem, simply you are going to write your name. Let's say going to put your email address and text UI is good, and we're going to submit. Now on my email ID, let's refresh it. See, it has reached to me. So let's just see the code and try to understand what I have tried to do in this website. So this is the code of this project, and just by looking at it you can see that I've used Express generator. I've used EJS in this project. EJS is basically where I can sync all the HTML, all the front end with my backend. And let's start with app.js file. This .env is imported to get to access the env to load the environment variable from files. Similarly, this polypaster is a middleware, and similarly all these other things are imported to get used somewhere somehow. So yeah, this is the code. This is slash route that I've created. This is the main homepage route basically. Similarly, we are rendering the contact page route, about us, compose us, nothing big in this. So yeah, for login, it is going to require the username and password which is saved in the env file. This is the env file which I'm not going to open because my credentials are going to be seen by you otherwise. So this is the basic code of compose whatever things I want in my a compose section like the post title, post content, post author, date, URL, everything. And it's going to redirect me to my main home page. This is similarly, if you want to find any blog post, you are going to enter the post URL and you're going to get it. If there is any kind of error or something happening, it's going to throw 404 error. The contact us page I have used, so if you have noticed in the contact us page, it is sending me the email. So we have used NodeMailer for this. We're going to see the that a little bit later. The delete code is going to be explained by Vimeet. Let's see the compose.ejs file to understand it better. Okay. So first of all, all the three section about contact and the main section, all of them have similar header and footer. So we have just used this code of header and footer, basic code, HTML and CSS used. We are importing it in our, what was the name of the file, compose.ejs. Yeah, so we are importing it here. After that, I have redirected it to the compose route, and it's going to be required all the text, all the post title which we have seen in our app.js file. Mm. Let me find out for you here. So yeah, it's going to get all of these. So yeah, this was the section where you are going to get all the random images every time you are refreshing your page. This was the link which was used. This is the basic CSS used into this section. Similarly, the delete post route, it is Vimit is going to explain it. Let's see, home section, I've done nothing, basic HTML, and we are just using EJS and getting the blog post URL into the image source. If we click it, it's not opening. But yeah, this is a basic. We have done nothing. We have just used the EJS file. We are importing it by this line, which I think you all would have been pretty familiar. It is used to do dynamically changes in our files. That is pretty much it. Oh, I forget to show you the email value code. This is the basic code. It is sending the email with the name of this, and the password is protected. Yeah, so this is the mail section which is sending the mail to my email ID. So initially, hello everyone, my name is V and my role number is 211 reference history. I'm from G29 and this right here is the blog page which me and my partner have created. In this project, my contribution was this header and footer, and it has kind of every single page for our website, and this about page was created by me. This header and footer was working. Now, apart from this, what I did was, if I do this and see now if I have to delete this one, I have to delete this, or I will do this, which is to copy this URL and post it like here. Yeah, it will get deleted.
it's clear now. Everything has been deleted. So yeah. Now let's see a look on our tools. So for footer, I've used these tools. So, and for the for the I've used these tools for the front end part, and then this to delete everything on tool. And now, if you take a look here, this this button will only and only delete one single post, and this will delete every single post. It will delete all the posts which are already on the website, and this will handle all the delete all post requests, and this will take care of the invalid request. It will show who error. Now, listening for HTTPS request on a specific tool. So, like it will listen to the specific request of the HTTPS to, yeah. So this is all, and thank you so much.